Dusty Fryer, I chose Don's because it's closer to my house, a lot easier to come and get everything done rather than go somewhere out of town. Prices are unbeatable, and you feel more than a customer over here. You feel more like you're part of the Don's family.
What's up, dude?
Come on, man. You ready to do this?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go check it out. This will be the new truck design right here for you. Got the guys at Strictly Customs to hook you up with a pretty badass rendering. We're going with the 8-inch BDS coil-over setup, stacking a 2-inch leveling kit. Got the mirrors. We're waiting on headlights to arrive, correct?
Yeah.
Grills in, ready to go to paint to match.
I'm gonna be doing a 10-inch lift on my 2013 Dodge Mega Cab. I'm gonna be doing 22x14 specialty forged wheels, 38-inch Toyos, and a lot of customizations done to it, paint on that lift, everything else. Just trying to make it stand out and not just be like one of the other trucks on the road.
I think it's a good looking setup, man. Definitely nobody on the road will have anything like this.
Looking for that one-of-a-kind vehicle? At Don's, every vehicle is one of a kind. We take pride in our inventory and spend thousands before it's considered ownership ready. New wheels and tires, lift kits, and more. Buy with confidence knowing every vehicle comes with a 172-point inspection and vehicle history report. Our goal is to meet your needs and surpass your expectations. Don's Automotive Group in Lafayette, Broussard, and Lake Charles, or online at donswholesale.com. You don't want just a truck, you want a Don's truck.
So when me and Dusty first sat down to talk about building his dream truck, it was very obvious at that point that he was a guy that wanted to go above and beyond to the next level with his build. So with being that said, we chose the BDS lift. On the rear of the truck, instead of putting blocks, he wanted to go with the full coil set. Gives you a little bit better of a quality of a ride, and he hauls a little bit with his truck from time to time, so that's going to be able to handle that. We got the sway bar disconnects. If he does want to do some posing and go off-road with his truck, he'll be able to disconnect. One of the biggest features of the truck we're building is these fully adjustable dampening system, coil over with the piggyback Fox shocks. Optimal, you can tune it for the performance of your ride. You can adjust height. Very, very good quality. He also opted to go with the dual recoil track bar system. Not a lot of guys go that far, but he said he wanted to take it to the next level. Allows it fully adjustable. Keep your ride with axle wrap very minimal. Adjustable track bar on the front. Keep all the play out of the front end. So we got everything here. It's all ready to go. The next step will be sending this off to powder coat so we can get it to match the truck. And hopefully soon we'll get it back to continue to build.
Business owners, managers, fleet managers, are you having transportation issues? We believe you are, because over the last couple of years, everybody has depleted their fleet, specifically because of the way the economy has gone, majority of which is the oil field. The oil field's coming back up. It's 2018. It's time to get some new trucks. Whether you're carrying people or equipment, we have vans, 15-passenger vans, commercial trucks, big trucks, small trucks, it doesn't matter. Our commercial fleet of rental trucks and vans can be catered to fit your business needs. Whether you need it for a day, you need it for a week, you need it for a month, short term, long term, we can cater to all that. And if you want to keep business local, we're owned and headquartered here in Cajun Country, South Louisiana. We have locations from Lake Charles all the way to New Orleans. So go online today at autorentaletc.com or call us.
Auto Rental ETC. Keep it local.
First thing we're gonna do is get the vehicle lift kit sent over to powder coat, where the guys are gonna use state-of-the-art equipment to get the lift painted to match to the truck. It's a very high bond, very durable product. It's gonna last just as long as the truck will last. Once we get the lift back to our shop, we're gonna get the lift all spread out where we can come up with a plan of attack. Once everybody's on the same page and we all know what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna look over and inspect every single part of the lift for any imperfections and get that out of the way. Next, we're gonna start the tear down process on the truck, where the guys are gonna remove any factory parts that we need to take out to accept the aftermarket lift. Once that's out of the way, we'll go ahead and install the aftermarket headlights with the color changing LED and pods. They're projectors, full range of color. It's very customizable with different strobe and different patterns. After that, we're gonna go ahead and start taping off things because we're gonna go ahead and paint the frame and the axles on the truck with a custom paint job to make everything look new just as the lift kit is. Went ahead and on this unit we installed aftermarket brake pads and rotors. We felt that it was needed with the extra weight to give it the right stopping ability and minimize brake dust. We got the coilovers installed and tuned to the vehicle's rod specification. We're gonna go ahead and install longer extended steel braided brake lines, get these old ones out the way. Next, we're gonna mount and balance the tires so that way we have them ready to go on the truck. We got the fuel tires on the specialty forged wheel. Next time you see us, we'll be giving this truck back to Dusty, and we can't wait to see his reaction.
Here at DW Accessories, we're accessorizing all of Acadiana. From wheels and tires to WeatherTech floor mats and everything in between. We sell and install the gotta have AMP Research running boards. There is absolutely nothing more incredible. We also have a huge selection of bed covers from Undercover Flex, Roll and Lock, and Backflip, the aluminum hard folding cover. DW Accessories will also install them for you on any popular make and model truck. We can even install window tint and custom bed liners for those trucks that need a little more ruggedness. From toolboxes and other storage systems to our very own DW brand lift and leveling kits. So come see us at 6902 Johnston Street or give us a call at 210-5020. DW Accessories.
This is my first time ever dealing with Dons. Hands down, I've had zero problems with them. Any little thing I wanted to tweak or do differently with my build, I was able to call or even text a couple of them and see what's the latest with my truck and what I wanted to change about it. I was able to go to the shop itself and see the progress on it rather than just sit in the dark the whole time. I chose Don's. I've priced around a couple places, local and a little bit further, and they had hands down the best pricing and even offered me a little bit more than better pricing. Also, it's more local for me, so I was able to constantly come if I need or anything I want to change about it. They was there to help me any type of questions I had, and I actually had no complaints whatsoever with them. When I'm coming down the road, someone automatically knows it's me coming. They don't think it's just another truck on the road. It's not my first truck build I've done, but this is by far my favorite one. It stands out better than other ones because of the color match lift I had done and customizations all around, and it's hands down my favorite one.